Attention all New Orleans units, stand by for broadcast. We are looking for a violent 103M, escaped from the home of mentally insane adolescents. She is described as an Asian female, brown hair, brown eyes, and she is considered dangerous. Use extreme caution. Over.
Copy. Lucky me.
Yo, where your friends at? Was this little old you? All alone in this big bad world?
Dude.
You okay? You don't sound like you're from around here. I mean, you live in New Orleans? I'm not going back there. What's that? Stop. What, did you, like, run away from somewhere? I don't want to go back! She's got no place to stay. I'm helping her out for a little while.
Since when do you help people?
Hey! She's a little miracle.
She's a fugitive.
Stop running! If you see this girl, do not look in her eyes.
Why do you think you're in charge?
I knew something freaky was gonna happen tonight. With the full moon, I like feel it in my ovaries, I swear to God.